the first question I want to, first of all, thank you guys for getting up here. Here's the first question I want to ask, especially those of you who have been through the HADS program and you put the HADS program in your practice. What was the initial reason that propelled you to decide to join HADS? And that purpose, that initial purpose, how has it perhaps changed since you first joined? And you guys want to go this way?
Actually, for me, early on and with the diagnostics, which is weird because we're
it's on.
Yeah, it's on. Was actually to be like a primary care, PT. Like we wanted to be the entry point into the healthcare system. So I recognized early that, especially with MSK, that we could do that. So that was my initial, reason of why we wanted to pursue and get into the hands-on program.
And how did it change that purpose? Has that purpose changed in any capacity?
It's actually just been reinforced, tenfold. So right now, like we're there, like we're in our community, and our community is coming to us. Our athletes are they're getting hurt and they're coming to us the next day. They're not going to urgent care. They're not calling their docs. We're the ones that they're calling and texting, and my staff can attest to that. They get that all the time. So it's awesome.
We'll receive a text message that literally says, "Hey, I just hurt my shoulder. Can I come in for an ultrasound?" Like they're texting and asking me to come in for a diagnostic test, which is really cool. That has definitely evolved where it would be like, "Hey, can you take a look at my shoulder?" They're actually asking for the specific diagnostic. So that's really cool.
Awesome.
I think just to add on to Joe, when we entered into diagnostics, overall, we were looking at something to elevate our practice and challenge the status quo of what we provide. And it was literally right after Hurricane Irma that we had, and we recognized that we have to do something different for our practice for viability. And so it was actually, we were coming out of a time of, kind of like when we were listening to a couple of the speakers yesterday, when they were going through some pretty like adverse times of like the oh shit moment of like, this could be the end of the business. Like we have to do something different. And that's when I met Demi and we found diagnostics, and it has been it's been amazing. Like it's, it's awesome.
Awesome. Thank you.